Hello, my name is Moin, and today we are going to take a look at how we can simulate particle focusing behavior of cells in COMSOL Multiphysics. It's the first part of a probably 3 or 4 part simulation tutorial, and we are actually going to step by step see how the simulation can start from scratch. We'll first create the geometry in CATiA. It's a CAD engineering software where most engineers use to create their own geometries, and once the geometry is created, then they can import it into softwares like COMSOL or Fluent or whatever software they use to do the actual simulation. Once the geometry is created, we will see how we can add in different physics and tips and tricks that I've learned throughout the course of couple of months that I use COMSOL, and see how this simulation can be done. And the actual paper that I use for this simulation is this paper called Isolation and Retrieval of Circulating Tumor Cells Using Centrifugal Forces. I'll put a link for that in the description. You can download it and see step by step how the actual simulation goes. We create the exact same geometry as they used in their paper and actually use pretty much the same inlet velocities, anything that this paper uses, and see that the actual results matches perfectly. So let's jump into creating the geometry in the next video.